Hi, today I'd like to show you how you can earn $5 per image you sent with this brand new method. This is the Make Money Online 2022 method that is going to be really easy for you to just simply do some simple image editing and you can earn a decent amount of money like $5. But you do not need to know anything. You do not need any special skills for that. Simply follow my video and you will be good to go. So the site that we are going to make money from is called 5squid.com. Yes, it's 5squid.com. It's more like a freelancing marketplace where people all around the world are uploading their gigs, and when they get an order and they complete it and they earn money. So it's more like a Fiverr, but it's a Fiverr sister like that, and you can use this because this is going to be awesome. So we are going to go to 5squid.com and we search for like what your message on. Yes, we search for like your message on gigs, and you can see that people are selling this type of gigs. It's like a message on an image, and it will be it can be edited, and this is really good. So a dynamic text on a static image, this is a really popular things that people always buys, and people are making money using that, and this is the way we are going to make money online here. So how you can see there are lots of gigs out there, and it's not that competitive at all right now. So this is the right time to jump back into action. And if you want, you can just read all these gigs and how it is performed, and you can just open similar gigs like this and asking for like $5 or $10. But that is definitely going to be awesome. But how we are going to make that image? So when you open your gigs, I'm going to use, as we are beginner, we do not have some skills, we are going to use a tools, free tools, that is called html.com. This is html.com. This is the site that we are going to use for the first time. If you are new here, and time goes on, we will go expertise and we will be much more experienced to do more editing like that. So for the first time, you just simply go to HTML, and you see that there are three options there: Einstein, Chalkboard, Uncle Sam, and Quacker Haha. This is the three images that you can edit. So if you just click on Einstein, it will show something like this. This is the image. You can see Einstein is writing something with a chalk, and you can just simply edit this text, and the text will be changed on the image as well. So this is the dynamic text on image. So if I just simply write my channel name here and just click on change image, it will change the image. You can see here it is, my channel name MoneyHorn is showing up in the image, and you cannot identify the difference. So this is the magic of dynamic text on image, and this is a really popular thing right now, and people are ordering this type of things. So when you get orders, you simply show them that you will provide this type of free image. And also they have a Uncle Sam, which is this is the poster like image, and you change the text and it will be show up here, and it will be edited like this. And also they have this Quacker image that is also dynamic, and you simply just change this text and you will get a new image for that, and you just download it and submit it to the gigs order, and you make money for that. So this is simple to start, and more work you do, more experience you will get, and then you can learn some new skills on Udemy. You just go over to Udemy. There are lots of free courses out there where you can learn how to edit images and add text to them, and you can complete more gigs. Then opportunity will be limitless. So you simply do this, and also you can copy copy the same gig on Fiverr and do the same thing and do the same work, and you can earn the same amount of money and without any problem. This is the way you can just simply send a simple image that you make from just like 1 to 2 minutes work, and you are making $5 per image you send at least. So this is the guys, this is the strategy. If you like this method, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, stay with my videos. New videos are uploaded daily. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.